Hey guys, it's Pete from Friendly Ford Lincoln, and we have some great deals and rebates going on right here at our service center. Let's head in and have one of our great service guys tell us more about these rebates and deals that you can take advantage of.
Hi, I'm Dave with Friendly Ford. Month of September, we've got some great rebates going on. First and foremost, I'd like to talk about the veterans and first responders. That's going to allow you a savings of $80 on any set of 4 tires. Another great deal we got for the month of September is purchase 3 tires, get the 4th for $1. So if you've got a buck, you're in luck. And finally, for the month of September, we've got $20 mail-in rebates on the Works package. So come on down and take advantage and get the works done on your vehicle.
So those are some great rebates that you can come in and take advantage of. And remember to use the Ford Pass app to earn great rewards towards your vehicle and many things here at Friendly Ford Lincoln, where it's not just a name, it's the way we do business.